President Obama's recent executive orders on gun control didn't keep people away from one of the biggest gun shows in Erie County. Hundreds of people attended this annual event at the Hamburg Fairgrounds this weekend. Here, legal guns of all different kinds are bought, sold, and traded. One of the organizers of this show says the president's recent announcement doesn't have much bearing here because of the controversial SAFE Act that's here in New York State.
Even prior to the SAFE Act, you had to do background checks at a gun show. If the gun was bought, sold here, private citizen, you have to do a background check because it's at a gun show. Down the street in a parking lot of Walmart, you didn't have to do that. Now with the SAFE Act, everybody has to do background checks.
Gun company stocks are on the rise, and gun sales have jumped as people look to buy weapons before any new regulations go into effect.